Hi everyone, so today is Pinterest in Hi everyone, so today is my Pinterest inspired video. So I saw these little dangles and I'm making a nature themed journal, so I thought I would make some for that. These are just excuse me, these are just little tickets. Then we've got some little labels which are nature themed. They're from Tracie Fox, and excuse me, I'm using some kits from ARTYmaze and Tracie Fox. I can't remember what it's called now. Herbal remedies, nature remedies. So that was a collaboration between ARTYmaze and Tracie Fox, and yeah, so I've just picked out some of the little pieces. These labels are a freebie from ARTYmaze. They're from many moons ago. I don't know if she's still got them as a freebie anywhere. Could be a Facebook group or a coffee shop. I don't know. Then I printed these out on my full memo and I punched some little holes in them. So they're just all kind of nature words. I forgot to do one, so we will do that now. Using a smaller hole in my crocodile, and so I will put a link below to the Pinterest inspired pin, that's what you want to call it, so that you can go over and check it out, but you can also find loads of other ones as well. So I'm just going to ink that up. I think I'm going to cut that down just a little bit because it's a bit big, so I'll just do it to about here, and probably do the same to a few others as well. So yeah, I backed all these previous, sorry for the noise that's making, just to save some time. Try not to dump that down and make a big racket. My hands are all gluey and stuff because I've been I'm nearly finished this big nature journal. Maybe a day or two. See, I'm doing these videos prior to the day that they're released as well, so you will see this on Monday, whatever date Monday is, Monday the 12th, I think, 30th, no, 12th. But I'm doing this the week before, trying to keep ahead of myself. That's annoying me. So yeah, at the moment I've got a week ahead on videos with these like Monday, Wednesday and Friday videos, which is good. Just got to remember, because they're uploaded, just got to remember to release them, because sometimes I've got to get the videos up because my phone or my iPad's running out of space. Can't believe that. I've got so much stuff on there. I need to back it up and clear some things, because there's a lot of unnecessary, I've got apps on there that I don't actually use. So right, so that's them all inked up. So where did I put that? Put it back in the drawer probably. Yes. So we're going to use this again, and I'm just going to punch some little holes in there. Well, they're all going to need little holes. If you don't have a crocodile or a hole punch, you could use an awl or a really thick darning needle. Is anything that makes a hole. Screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, not Phillips, yes, Phillips. Right, we need to make sure they're the right way around. Now with these, I'm thinking at the moment whether to resin some of these, but all that stuff's been put away. But that would be a good idea, to resin or glossy accents or some other form of hard glaze to make them. There we go. I think that's everything got a hole in it now. Do you know what? I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to go and find it. And I am going to resin. My voice is gone for some reason. I don't know what that is. I think I'll resin. I'll resin these. So I'll go and get that stuff. Well, actually, hang on. That's the resin that I'm using, because I will have to plug it in elsewhere. You won't be able to see me actually put it in under the lights, but I can put that on here, and then we'll put it under the lights. Just got to find the UV light. Okay, so that is my little light, my UV light. You can, it's just the lead's not where my plugs are, and the lead is just not going to fit on here, and I don't have an extension to do that. So that's what it is, and I normally put it on for, I think it works out like 120 seconds, and it's dry in this one. You can take that off, I think, but I've never taken it off. But obviously I did actually buy that for my nails years ago, but I only used that once or twice. But it's coming in handy now with the resin, so I'm just going to sit that out of the way just now. And plug it back in. There we go. It would be good if I can't find something either, you know, like a laminate sheet or something. I haven't got anything to hand, so right, I need to open a window because that stuff stinks. I don't even have a mask up here, so I'm being really naughty. But plenty of fresh air coming in. So first of all, I'm going to make sure that these little bits are off. If you're using resin, make sure you use it in a well ventilated room. Wear gloves. I haven't got gloves either, but I do have gloves. They're downstairs. Everything's like, because they're underneath the sink. Excuse me. So with the resin, this stuff is, you know, it's already mixed up. I don't have to mix it. Just put a little coat on. You don't need a lot of it. Just making sure that get to the edges. Try not to get it on your fingers. I'm just going to find a, it's not actually ideal, but just to hold it in place here. There we go. Just right, I'm going to do the other ones off camera because otherwise we'll be here for ages, but basically that's what you're doing. Right, so I've done them all. I can see I've got, didn't find this before, but there's a little gap there which I am going to try and move some of that around onto it. And then I'm going to put these under the lights. Just checking, it's hard to see in this light and I can't put my head straight over because the camera's there. Right, throw these away when you do that, because obviously you don't want resin stuck to anything. I need to just trim that so that it will sit in my light thing. Okay, so I'll be back when they're done. So they are done. I'm debating whether to do the back. I'm not going to do the backs, but I would if it was obviously some other project. I mean, I would if I was making magnets or things like that. So anyway, that's them done. I missed a little bit there. These are just going to be dangles on a journal. So I've got these little doobie flips. What are they called? I can't remember what they're called. Bulb pins. There we go. Now you could resin everything, but it's good to have a mixture of bits and bobs. So we will have that. No, sorry, you can hear the cars or trucks going down the back. There's a little cul-de-sac down the back of me. Boy, the amount of traffic goes down there in a day. Okay. Why is that not going in? There we go. Now, I'm going to take all them off because I wanted to add these little bits of just scrap pieces of crocheted trim. So we will put that, we'll put that there, and we put that there, and then we will do the same with the others. Just trim these little bits off. I think that's like that because it was still slightly damp from the glue when I backed them. Fingers don't want to work. You could do these with anything. Little hearts, little tiny tags would be super. Sorry if you can hear that out there. I want to keep the window on for a little bit because of the resin. It's absolutely freezing. Resin, even when it's from what I can make out, even when it's hard and it's dried, it still cures, and whilst it's curing, apparently it's still smelly. Sorry about that. Yeah, so apparently it cures for a couple of days as well. A little bit of this. You could use a little bit of lace trim or something. I'm really enjoying making the journal that these are gonna go in. It's a big one. It's a biggie. We're nearly done. Oops. Let's get that there. And we'll use the one nature. There would actually be nice resined up. I may do that afterwards. You'll see when I do the flip through of the journal. Does that say leaf and foliage? No, actually I've got no more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. So this is another little fun project. Pinterest is a great way to find ideas. So if you've got a little bit of, like, lost your mojo or whatever, go onto Pinterest. I'm sure you'll find something that will kickstart your creativeness. There we go. So we'll put that out of the way. And where's my little dangles? I will put, like I said, I'll put a link to the ones that inspired me, even though these are nothing like them, but they still inspired me to make these for the journal that I'm working on. So I'm going to see if I can zoom in a little bit. there we go. So that's today's one. So thanks for watching. I have got a little playlist if you want to go and check that out, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye for now.